Hi guys, I hope you're safe and healthy wherever you are. Today I'm here at Sverlyk Creative Workshop in Lviv, Ukraine, and I would like to show you inside. Our main goal is to show kids that they can do something interesting, creative and useful with their own hands here at Sverlyk Creative Workshop. You can't even imagine the skills our kids gain after the course of studies at Sverlyk. They can confidently use different tools. They can cut, grind, drill, carve, and they can even teach you how to do it. After the war in Ukraine has started, Sverlyk has become a social project, so that now every single child in Ukraine who needs to spend their spare time can spend it here at our workshops absolutely for free. In this difficult time for Ukraine, we really need your support. We ask you to donate for Sverlyk. Please don't stand aside. Charity begins at home.